Here you will be learning certain real-time example on how you will be able to find a vulnerability on web application, mobile and API. And also this course offers you a real-time lab where you will be able to find the vulnerability and improve your skills. As well as by the end of the day, the participants will be able to easily exploit or find the vulnerability in web application, or it might be API as well as mobile applications.
Next, we will see what is this course about. First, we will see about the objective of this course. It is about mastering practical penetration testing for the real world vulnerabilities. And in that we have Web VAPT where we are able to analyze the vulnerabilities in web application. Then we have API VAPT where we'll be finding the vulnerabilities in the API when they are doing a secure data exchange. And next we have Mobile VAPT where you are able to find the loopholes in the mobile application. It could be Android or iOS. So here is the program information. First thing, you will have the duration, which is for the training plus internship program, which is of 6 months. And you have the format of online classes, which is a pre-recorded as well as a live sessions. In the pre-recorded, you will be having a doubt clearing session, and for the hybrid classes, you will have the practical and mentoring guidance on this program. Then in the document section, you will be provided with the CH, that is a Certified Ethical Hacker certificate, and also training completion certificate, as well as the experience letter that you are working in the organization. And next, you will earn the industry-based certificate with the experience letter upon completing this training plus internship program. Then next, we have engaged in hands-on real-world projects where you will be working with the client projects, and also benefits from dedicated mentors who will be guiding you on the right path of the cybersecurity. Then we have the industry-based certificate upon the experience letter where you complete this 6 months. So let's see the features of WAM VAPT Training Plus Internship Program, which is of Web API and Mobile VAPT. First one, unlimited guidance and mentorship by the mentors. And next we have Earn While You Learn, where you can understand the vulnerabilities and work on the bug bounty platform and earn some of the bounties from the particular targets. So next we have the dedicated team who is going to help you out throughout the internship program or guide you on this path. So next we have gain real world experience, where you will be working on live projects on the client targets. And next we have live plus recorded sessions, which is a mix of live sessions and recorded materials where you can gain a good experience in this cybersecurity domain. So next we have learn from industry professionals, where you are getting the guidance from the experienced working professionals of cybersecurity. So next we'll see the core modules and key topics. So basically we have two parts. One is our advanced module and we have a specialization module. Coming to an advanced module in a web application. So in web application, we will be covering web application protocols and OS top 10. Along with that, how we will be able to use certain tools such as Burp Suite, and also certain web application tools that are command line interface tools, and also how we will be able to find certain vulnerability like information and disclosure vulnerability as well. So coming to our API security, first we'll see what is the importance of API and API pen testing. Along with that, what is a difference between a normal API pen testing as well as a traditional web application penetration testing, and also API documentation, how you will be able to set up that particular API in a particular tool such as Postman tool, and also we'll be also giving you a lab where you'll be able to demonstrate the vulnerabilities or weaknesses as well. Next, we'll see what is mobile application security. So here we'll be having a brief introduction about Android and Android architecture, and also introduction about iOS and iOS architecture. Along with that, OS top 10 for mobile applications also will be learning over there. Along with that, mobile application penetration testing, how it will be working kind of thing. So all these will be covered in these advanced modules. So next, in the specialization module under web application, so some of the vulnerabilities are cross-site scripting, SQL injection, JWT hacking. So many of other vulnerabilities we'll be going to cover over here. So next we'll be moving to the API specialization part. So we'll be following the OS top 10 for the API in order to see the vulnerability or learn the vulnerability. So these are the vulnerability that we'll be going to cover. So some of them are, it might be broken authentication or broken object level authorization. Same way, many more vulnerabilities we are going to cover in this module. So next, coming to the mobile application specialization module, we'll be covering both Android as well as iOS, where we'll be learning certain tools and how we'll be able to implement
certain labs for testing purpose. Along with that, we'll be learning certain vulnerabilities such as sensitive data exposure and insecure communication, as well as many other vulnerabilities. So depending on the OS top 10 for the mobile application.
So next on this Training Plus internship program, you will be getting the bonuses, that is a certified ethical hacker course which is of CH version 12 worth 5,000.
And also advanced bug bounty course also will be given.
So here are the key takeaways of this Training Plus internship program. First one is about build expertise in identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities.
Coming to the third point, acquire knowledge in securing an application by using certain tools. And coming to the fourth point, you will be receiving certification of completion. Along with that, experience letters will be provided.
Thank you.